Cyberpunk 2077 gets Hotfix 1.06, 8 MB save file size limit on PC removed. Cyberpunk 2077 developer CD Projekt Red has released Hotfix 1.06 for Xbox and PlayStation consoles as well as PCs. The hotfix brings in optimizations for consoles and removes the 8 MB save file limit on PCs. The game, infamous for consistently being hit by new bugs, has already had 3 hotfixes, including the latest one, since its launch on December 10. The developers have announced that they will release 2 big updates in January and February to mitigate further problems in the game. As per the information available on Cyberpunk 2077, PS4 review website, the Hotfix 1.06 is now available on PC and consoles. The changelog mentioned that Dum Dum will no longer go missing from Totentan's entrance during the second conflict. Those who haven't reached that stage or are new to the game should know that Dum Dum is a Maelstrom gang member in the second conflict quest whom they will meet at Totentan's, an abandoned factory and gangers' hideout as well as party place. Cyberpunk 2077 developer CD Projekt Red had earlier announced that it was working on a potential workaround to the problem of the missing NPC. The second notable change is for console versions of Cyberpunk 2077. The developers said that the latest hotfix has improved memory management and stability, that will result in fewer crashes. The third is a PC-specific fix that removes the 8 MB save file size limit. Several players earlier reported that if their save files exceed 8 MB in size, the game won't get loaded and an error message would pop up. The developers pointed out that this won't fix save files that got corrupted before the update. As mentioned, this is the third hotfix, after 1.04 and 1.05, since the launch of Cyberpunk 2077. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.